Damascus protective gear.
The Imperial Riot Control Kit was designed to be lightweight and versatile, ideal for use in crowd control, CERT, combat drill, and tactical situations. The DCP-2000 Imperial Upper Body Armor provides chest, back, and shoulder protection. Made from a lightweight cellular EVA foam for maximum movement and protection. The FP-10 forearm guards are constructed from a durable EVA foam to handle direct blows from blunt objects. For lower body protection, the TG-40 thigh and groin protector is lightweight and compact to allow easy mobility. The MOLLE system around the thigh guard allows for additional attachments. Constructed with lightweight cellular EVA foam padding to withstand blunt force trauma and keep you in action. The DNSG-B Neoprene knee and shin guards provide form-fitted protection. They're constructed from a durable neoprene material with a high-density, closed-cell foam to withstand blunt force and provide maximum comfort. All items in the Imperial Riot Control Kit are sold separately, allowing for a customized protection system. For extended protection, pair it with your choice of Riot Control or tactical gloves. The Imperial Riot Control Kit.
Damascus, made for action.